so you know, we are trying to put a new diverter in the faucet. Took this part out. I'm talking to my phone. Talking to this. And right here, this plastic part, you're going to have to destroy this old one to get it out. You use a little flathead screwdriver and kind of pry it off of this little guy. Make sure you don't hurt the inside of here. I mean, if it's metal, it can handle a little bit of scrapes and stuff, but yeah. Putting a new one in is not as hard as it seems. But once it's in, it's you'd have to destroy it to take it out. Make sure that you do not attach these two pieces together. This one and this one outside of the faucet, because then you've wasted your product, or at least how I do it. You've wasted it. So take this, we're gonna put it right in here. There, see, it's right there. Okay, slide it back. Take this piece, make sure this little loop right here is faced towards you. Slide it in there. Make sure this O-ring is towards the bottom there. You're gonna slide it in there, and you see kind of the tip on there, right there, the metal tip, and where you have the hole there. You put those two together nicely. Then what you're gonna do, okay, is right here, you're gonna keep your finger there, keep that pushed. Then you're gonna take your two thumbs and you're gonna push it on there, and it will attach. No problems there. And now you have a new diverter, front end diverter spout kit installed. Okay, that is it.